Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and it's time to pick our winners for the 200 subscriber giveaway. But before I do that, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, commented, shared, or just done part of those things. I appreciate you each and every one. You mean so much to me. I do this and when I say do this, I mean making the YouTube videos just as a way to pull myself out of my comfort zone a little bit. I would be most comfortable just sitting alone in my craft room, not talking to a camera. But it's a good way, it's something to pull me out of my comfort zone a little bit. And so I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, so I'm going to draw the winners, and when I do, I noticed a lot of the people that commented, probably I already have your address. Not for everyone, but for some. So when I draw the names, even if you think I should have your address, I'm going to ask that you send me an email. The winners need to send me an email to marcyscraftycorner@gmail.com. I'll have the email address at the bottom of the screen, and it will be in the description box below. And I need to receive an email from the two winners by Saturday, November 14th. If I don't have it by then, I will have to redraw. So even if you think that I should, already have your email address or your mailing address, please shoot me an email anyway. I don't want to rely on my memory to say, oh yes, I know I have your email or your mailing address. My goodness. Okay, so that's that. So these are the two items. Here in this little bowl, I've got all the names. There were a couple of people who did leave me a comment late, but to be fair to everyone, I had to exclude those names, and I'm so sorry. Hopefully I'll be able to have more drawings soon. Okay, so the first name is Carrie Loves Coffee and Crafts. And yes, Carrie, I know beyond a doubt that I have your mailing address. But given what I just said, please shoot me an email with your mailing address. And in your email, Carrie, you might let me know if you have a napkin preference, such as Christmas, floral, fall, trying to think that, yeah, that at this moment that would probably be as narrowed down as I could get. Carrie and I were just put as swap partners in another deal. Okay. And Christina Tyler. Christina is a new subscriber, so I know, Christina, I will need you to email me. As I said, the email address is at the bottom of the screen and in the description box below. So I need to receive an email by Saturday, November 14th. Congratulations to the winners. And I look forward to working on some of the ideas you all gave me for things to make. Some of them I can do easily. Some of them I'm going to need to kind of study and look at. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.